Mommy, tell me the story that you and Daddy met.
ओके शुरू से शुरू करते हैं We both met in 2007 and we both loved Shakespeare, but that was it. We were very different. He was a simple guy, but I had big dreams. We fought a lot, we talked, and finally, after dating for 1.5 years, I decided to engage. We got engaged and then we got married in 2010, and off we flew to London for 2 years. Those were the best years of our life. We traveled a lot in London and around London, and that was truly a honeymoon period where I had studied and he was working for the first time. We realized a lot of things about each other and our love for traveling. He knew that I was not the normal kind of a girl and that would do just the cooking and housewife. Like I always told him I had big dreams, and he always accompanied me in whatever I wanted to do, and then of course with his career choices as well. So 2 years just passed by quickly. Then we came back to India, and again, life changed. We both were working in different cities, but our love for traveling remained the same. And years went by, and then came our fifth anniversary. I got our names tattoos done, and we both settled down in Hyderabad. He established his bakery, and we bought our first house and our first big diamond ring. We knew we wanted to have a baby after 5 years of married life, and then we went to Maldives and enjoyed that last single trip. And then our sixth anniversary, since I was pregnant, we went to Taj Falaknuma, and it was such a royal experience. When I was pregnant with Inaya, that was again a very memorable trip. And then came Inaya in 2016, and our life just turned 360 degrees up and down. We couldn't travel for 2 years, but no regrets. That was the best time, and we knew and we were prepared about that. And it was also a very important time in our careers, so we took it slow and we just got better at what we were doing. We still traveled around India, and I gained a lot of weight. And came but 2018, our 8th anniversary, we flew down with a 2.5-year-old to Spain and Portugal for 15 days in Europe without vegetarian food, with all the hiking and walking with a stroller. We knew we wanted her to give all these experiences, and we wanted her to travel. She was a 3-year-old who had traveled to 3 countries already. In 2019, we flew down to Thailand for our anniversary, and it was magical. We loved the beaches, the water, it was so serene, so some learnings from this 10 years of togetherness is that yes, we still fight, and yes, there would be disagreements. We do not have that excitement of teenage years and the initial but as the years honeymoon pass period by, you live through each and every moment, each and every ups and downs, every achievement, every setback. You realize that in these 10 years, yes, the diamonds have gone bigger, trips have gone bigger. We both have had big major changes in our lives, had leadership positions, and traveled the world, and will continue to do so. And yet there are so many more things to be done in the world, so many moments to be lived, relived, and I still want to do my PhD. We still want to change the world and do many bigger, higher things. So on this 11th year, we celebrate all of those years of companionship, and as here's to a bigger and fuller life. Cheers to growing old together.